So who doesn't love caramel coffee? But it's not exactly the healthiest. It's got a ton of sugar, it has a ton of fat, and is generally a very high calorie drink. So we're gonna teach you how to make a caramel coffee that's actually healthy. So I'm gonna fill up my cup with ice. I like to do about half a cup in there. And next you're gonna use any Lifeboost coffee of your choice. I like to use the cold brew. This is a cup. Next, we are doing a third a cup of sugar-free almond milk, but you can use any milk of your choice in here. And finally, 2 tablespoons of sugar-free caramel. Stir it up, and you're ready to go. This is better than what you get at the store.